G'day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make light orange in some different variations of shades. We've got some red, yellow and white. So we'll first start off, right, by mixing the basic orange colour. So we just get a bit of red, right, and then some yellow, and then mix it up. We will get a very dark orange from this. Right. It's our first base orange colour, very dark colour. We'll add a bit more white to this now and bring the colour down. Add more white. Let's add more white to the orange colour to bring it down even further. Okay, we'll add more white to the orange. Okay, and just mix up this white here and we'll have the last colour. Very light orange colour. So there you have it, right? We have some like peachy colour orange colours, some lighter orange colours, and then some normal colour orange there. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe. I'll see you later.